Hi, I am here to show you my cooking in a boat. This is our dining area and here is our cooking area. I'm now planning to do already with fire. We have this fresh fish, mahi-mahi, that we bought it clean and sliced up, and fresh vegetables, tomato, onion, garlic, little olive oil, make a little mix up, and then I put coconut milk and some more tomatoes, more vegetables, and put the fish, and then I make that kind of soup with vegetables. You can put a boiled egg in that and serve with a fresh rice. The rice is already going, and I can show you the storage area that's right here in the floor. That's where we put the canned stuff. And right here in the floor, that's where we put more canned stuff, drinkings and food. And here our freezer and refrigerator. But to turn the propane on, we gotta go here in the panel and turn it on, like the lights and generator. And this boat has many appliances, electronics here, coffee maker, toast, microwave, but you can use only one at once, and the water is limited too, of course, in the boat. And this is water that I use to cook and get everything done. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.